Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a beautiful spring morning. A nice dry one as well. It's not raining. Everything's looking very springy. I just wanted to take the time now to introduce you to our latest addition. He lives down here in a sheltered spot. It's our hedgehog, Bert. He's a rescue hedgehog. He came from a little hedgehog sanctuary, and he came with this little crate here. It's like a cat crate. He feels really safe in it, so it's his home. And we top it up with straw every so often. We wanted to give him a house more like this, but he feels really comfortable in this one, so we're sticking to it. It has a nice paving slab underneath it and a bit of yoga matting as well, and then all that straw just to keep him nice and warm and snug. And then this one over here is his little eating hole, his food hole. And so I put a little bowl in there, which he's finished last night, with some cat food. I'll just remove that in a minute. He's got water over here, and he also has water over here. So he has options. This one too. And we have set up a little trail cam that a friend gave us, so we can watch him as he gets out. Every night when he wakes up, because he's nocturnal, so you can't really see him in the day. When we got him, the lady who brought him over said that she hoped we wouldn't be too disappointed because he's not a very interactive pet, but he has actually come up to the house asking for snacks. Well, just hanging around the windows and the doors and things, the sliding doors. And so we have given him little snacks near the house as well, just to get him used to us and to know that he can come to us for anything, really. As he's a rescued hedgehog, he was injured, so he's blind in one eye, so he needed to be looked after. And they did try to release him, but he wasn't able to fend for himself. He actually came back to the hedgehog sanctuary. So now he's just here in our walled garden. He can't escape. He can't go out into the road or get hurt or anything. There is a road right outside our house too, but he can't get out. He can just live here happily, and as he's an insectivore, he will be eating bugs and slugs and snails. So really a beautiful gardener's friend. He also eats worms, which I do like. I like my worms. I even have a little worm farm. And of course worms are so good for gardens. But he can have a few of those too as a snack, I guess. And the worm farm is kept in the garage, so he can't get to it. I think he could empty out the worm farm. Actually, when I got the worm farm, I did say to make sure to keep it away from hedgehogs. So yeah, he's not near it. But no, I really enjoyed having him here. It's so sweet. We go out and check on him sometimes in the evenings when it's dark. He doesn't come out until it's really dark. And he sets off the security light sometimes so we can see him out and about. So he's such a sweet little thing, and it's just nice to be able to help a little creature that needs it, especially because apparently the hedgehog population in the UK in particular is really not doing very well. They really do get hit a lot by cars, and yeah, their population is declining. So it's so nice to have a little wild creature here, keeping him safe, or at least helping him survive. So we feed him cat food. If you do ever have a hedgehog come to you, they can eat cat food. It can't be any cat food with fish, but anything with like poultry or beef or anything like that. And it shouldn't be dog food either, because that tends to be vegetarian, I was told. Very often it has vegetables in it, and that just wouldn't be suitable for the hedgehogs. So yes, cat food. They can have dried or the sort of tinned stuff. We were advised to give him tinned cat food 5 days out of 7, and then dried cat food the other 2 days. So he seems very happy with that. And also, when I was little, if we had hedgehogs visiting, we were told we could give them things like milk in a bowl or in a saucer. And that's apparently not true. They should only have water. So don't know why people thought to give them milk. Maybe they treated them like cats. I'm not even sure if cats should have milk, but they always have traditionally had milk, haven't they? Like farm cats and things like that. So I imagine, I don't know, who knows? Maybe now it's not good to give cats milk. But anyhow, I just thought it'd be nice to introduce little Bertie to you. Our sweet little garden hedgehog. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.